Oh, it's a free line. Let me make sure I got my stuff ready. SQ.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. We use on mobile extra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's the code?
SQ58.
Okay, give me 1 second, please. You said SQ58?
S is in Sam, Q is in Quincy, 5A.
For David?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that all?
Yep.
Alright, you can go in the first one, babe.
Thank you. I can't do nothing with it. It's just so Twilight. Like the movie with them vampires and them werewolves. This is a KINFOK request. So, hey man, if y'all want me to try something new, send me some stuff, man, to try new. I do videos all the time. Don't send me no whole meals. Don't send me no whole meals now, cause that ain't happening. Move, Dodge Durango. Dang, they might have heard me. That lady probably scared right now. She probably calling the police. I'm just saying. Well, nobody up here. Now y'all want to come and give them a pull up. Susan Landeros asked me to try the Mccrispy. I got the Bacon Ranch Mccrispy Deluxe and a Diet Coke. I used the McDonald's app. So we gonna see. Yeah, we gonna see. Can y'all see me?
David?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. I should say, no, Henry. Negro. Or whoever, whatever. If you can find me some shade, man. I want me one of them orange.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
Here you go, have a good day.
Thank you very much. You too, ma'am. See, it was quick, but it was professional. You don't treat me like that, you know, I'm straight. But don't be like, here, Negro. Go ahead and eat, and I hope you don't enjoy. I'm just saying, that's okay. They have been nice at McDonald's, but I'll take what I can take. Oh man, it's loud over here. Put right here. Let's get him. I'm back with another mukbang, truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. We finna get it in. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. Hey, Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Bussin', 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 bussin'. Good Lord. Bussin', bussin'. That smoke flavor that you're savoring. Amen. Ooh, that look, it smells delicious. Wow. I said, wow. We got the new, I guess it's new. She told me to try it. So I'm saying it's new. She said, Gilmo, hey, why don't you try that Bacon Ranch Mccrispy Deluxe? And I said, I sure will. So if y'all got any ideas, man, just let them be new. I do it. I take a new idea just to make sure it's new. We got the new thumbnail. Bacon Ranch Mccrispy Deluxe from McDonald's. Mickey D's, baby. This the deluxe. It ain't the regular. If I'm going all out. It got tomatoes. It got 3 slices of tomatoes. Good Lord. Some bacon. Some of the bacon fell off. I'm gonna put it back on there. And some ranch sauce. Cause I was gonna ask for mayo, but I was like, nah, I got this with the app. Hey man, it really do look delicious. My mouth watering. You got a little small Roma tomatoes on it. Hey, this piece of tomato thought he was gonna escape, but it thought wrong. It thought wrong. Taste this. How you gonna give me something and you don't give me no napkins? God dog. I should have. But anyway, let's say grace and let's get it in. Come get you some. Oh Lord. Boy, I know how to ruin a video, boy. Amen. And amen again. It tastes regular. It tastes regular. Boom, calories for this sandwich. It tastes regular. Let's go ahead and get it in, man. Oh man, it looks delicious. This don't taste like ranch. It tastes like they threw some mayo on this thing. They messing the grade up already. It look good though, man. I got so many things, I don't know what to do. Like, first bite, oh, so nice. Check. Hot. Bussin'. That's bussin'. I'm just getting no type of chicken sandwich from McDonald's. Well, I got this one. And it's quite delicious. I guess it came right on time. They got a bunch of cars over there now. Yeah. That'll do. I taste a little bit of ranch. I mean, even if it was mayonnaise, it'd still be busting. This sounds good. I ain't gonna front. If you ever seen, give me no napkin. And I think she gave me regular Coke. I know they don't have Coke Zero. We ain't got that cut. I'm off today. Hey, Mr. Barber, don't take no offense if you ever see this video. But while you in that chair, sitting down on your phone when ain't nobody in there, I hope you're looking at Instagram videos or haircut tutorials. Cause I wouldn't come to you and spending money if I didn't think you could cut. But you could do better. You could do better now. I could do better on anything I'm doing. And I'm probably messing myself up. Cause you the only one in Brunswick to take walk-ins. Maybe they think you can't cut. I just ain't finna tell nobody. Anybody asks if you can cut, I'm be like, man, you messed my head up. Keep it for myself. I'm being honest with you with that one. But you can always be studying.
He a good dude, man. Just he was a little inconsistent, so I had to leave him alone for a while. My other barber be too busy. He a longshoreman. He doing other stuff, investments. I need cut here. He be too busy. I asked him if I can get a cut. Text him that day. 3 days later, he called me back. He texted me back. Tell me what's my schedule. Off, Negro. Like, get off my phone. That's what my schedule is. I ain't say that. But I wanted to. He a good dude. He just too busy. I don't like going nowhere with a nappy head. And this is the last bite of this McDonald's Bacon Ranch Mccrispy Deluxe. And the last bite, all time, the last bite is the best bite ever. I'm gonna give that a good old solid B. It would have got an A, but I had to wipe my mouth with a paper bag. It's expensive too. The sandwich and a large Diet Coke came out to $10. What happened to McDonald's having all these drinks for $1? Taste wise, I'm a grade to B. Price wise, you done lost your damn mind. $7.70 for the sandwich was $7.70. I don't know where they got that chicken from. That chicken must have fell from heaven. It must have been Kobe pork, the bacon. It was good though. You put it on a value menu or something. I just realized I paid $10 for that, for this. I go to Michael's Deli for $3, $2 more. I get a shrimp and fish combo. That sounds delicious. That's crazy with 2 side items. Yeah, that's a little expensive. And I said, I still got this I still got this KFC honey mustard in here. The extra one they gave me. I said if the chicken sandwich wasn't good, I was gonna put some KFC on it. I ain't opened it. But yeah, man, if y'all want a good chicken sandwich with some fresh toppings on it, these toppings was fresh. Go on over to McDonald's. That new chicken sandwich they got busting. And get you one of them God-made chickens. St. Peter let them scoot them out the gate, go down to McDonald's, because ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. And then one more thing. I got my hair cut. A dude sat in the owner's chair. He owned the barbershop. Sat in his chair when I was walking out. I got in the truck, put my battery in the camera, formatted my SD card. What, 2-3 minutes? The dude that sat in that chair when I was out was walking out with a fresh haircut. I say, if barbers were part of the Avengers, he need to be Captain America, or Captain Negro, or whoever, cause the haircut was clean too. I seen it right before he put his hat on. Man, what you put a hat on for when you about to get right after you got a fresh cut? You crazy? I'm a style and profile this for about a week and a half. About a week. I love y'all, man. Head on over to McDonald's and get you one of them new crispy sandwiches. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay kinfolk.
Bussin'. Bussin'. You got the trusted Coke Zero. You know what I'm talking about? Bussin'. Say what up, kinfolk. Bussin'. It is what it is. You hear me? Hey, me.
This the dentist's office. It left that piece of tooth in my mouth. Boy, I wish I had an egg right now.